Hey guys, welcome back. Today I was going to discuss a little something different than the standard fare, which till now has been mostly VWs. Today I want to discuss this check engine light that's coming on in this Corvette, and how to fix it. So stay tuned and I'll be right back. Okay, so now that we've seen the code, or the result of the code, the lit check engine light on the dash, what we're going to need to start with is a scan tool that reads onboard diagnostics systems, which most of the vehicles, since I don't know what year, have been equipped with. Anyway, I have here in my hand an Actron. I don't know that it's going to focus, but the number there on the unit is a CP0660, in case anyone's wondering. Anyway, we're going to hook this up to under the dash in my car. What you can't necessarily see here is the little connector that it goes to. But trust me, you do have to hook it up. So the tool gets hooked in, the connector on the tool gets hooked into the onboard diagnostics connector. And I'll be right back as soon as I've taken care of that. It's a little bit hard to do it, a little bit fiddly with the camera at the same time. So just one second. Alright, we're back. The tool is trying to scan the codes, and it's probably not going to work until I turn on the accessory power. And in these Corvettes, I can't speak for the C5 Corvettes that went up until about 2004, but from 2005 to 13, the C6s, you've got this button press. And again, this, I don't know if it has any application to the C7 and later Corvette, which now I believe is a C8. Anyway, we turn on the accessory power, and once we do that, then this unit's going to have something to find codes for. And it says, select vehicle to read ABS codes. I get it to my vehicle, and just one second while I do that. Okay, so it says US. We're definitely looking at a US made vehicle here, so I select enter. I scroll down to the year of this car, 08, when it responds here. All right. 08, press enter. Car, enter. Chevrolet, Corvette, this is the 7.0 liter LS7, select enter. And it says working, attempting to detect, collecting data. Two codes, two OBD2 codes, and nothing with the ABS. Fortunately, there's nothing wrong with the anti-lock braking system. So I press enter. I have a P0449 evaporative emission vent valve solenoid malfunction. So I'm going to take this code to my friendly auto parts dealer and ask them if they have this emission vent valve solenoid, and I'll be right back as soon as I have that. So to fix this code, this evaporative vent solenoid valve is under the right rear passenger side of the car. And of course we got to remove the tire and wheel to get in there, and then we slide under the car, and I think there's the matter of disconnecting an electrical connector and a tube, the vent tube, putting the new piece in, and then putting the tire and wheel back on and resetting the code, which hopefully won't come back on. So we'll get to that in a minute. Okay, here we are underneath the car, and it's right where, like I say, it's on the passenger rear side, right where the exhaust pipe goes over the rear axle, and right here's in the gas tank in large proportion. Anyway, but there's the vent solenoid, and I've already disconnected the electrical connector, and I've got a clamp to loosen so I can remove the hose, and then the whole piece will come out. More in a moment. Alright, there's the new part installed. Really poor visibility under here, I'm so sorry. But it was, let's just say, not fun to reach in here with the exhaust pipe and the gas tank and even medium-sized hands, but I got it in. And here is the old solenoid vent valve. There's the electrical connector, and the bracket that it slides on. Just FYI, if any of you have a C6 Corvette Z06, and maybe even some other models of GM products, the part number that I've used here, it's a solenoid vent valve. It's part number 911-075. I'll double check that, but I believe that's the part number. This video, although it's related to something that not everybody is going to find useful, as far as the part itself, the methodology of checking OBD codes with the code scanner, that's more applicable to a lot of different situations. So hopefully there will be some use there. If you got a code or a check engine light, get yourself a code reader and find out the code, and then if you've got a manual, or you can go to your local friendly auto parts dealer, they can tell you what the code means. And if you're if you get the right part and you're a do-it-yourself kind of guy, you can install it and then use your same code reader to clear the code, which is what I plan to do. So hopefully you find this useful. We're clearing the P0449 code, and I will talk to you guys in the next video. Thanks. I almost forgot. After you fix whatever is causing the code, you're going to want to use your code reader to clear said code. And so I've got mine hooked up under the dash again. I'm going to hit the erase button. Sorry, I guess I have to read it first in order to erase it. Let's hit the read button. Or sorry, the enter button. Alright, there's your 0449. Let's hit erase. Okay, sorry for my operator error there. We got to the menu that has as an option erase codes. So I'm going to, I've selected erase codes. I'm pressing enter. Are you sure you want to erase diagnostic results and codes? Enter once again for yes. Turn key on with engine off. Press enter to continue. Alrighty, command sent. Codes remaining 0. Press enter to continue. And that's it. Hopefully I will not have any more issues with the check engine light, and I can now get this car successfully inspected. And this completes the video of how to find and fix the P0449 code in your C6 Corvette. Thanks everybody. Have a great day. If you haven't already, share, like, comment, and subscribe to my channel if you like this kind of content. I'll have lots more Corvette and Volkswagen content to come. You guys take care and have a wonderful day. God bless. Bye-bye.